Hey, welcome. It's Justin Costello with MarineMax, Pompano Beach. Just want to give you a little tour on its brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. We just got it in. Let's take a little walk through and show you what it's got. Boat's equipped with quad Mercury Verado 350 horsepower motors in white with joystick piloting. Coming in, we got this beautiful full transom bench seat, starboard side additional fold-out bench seat. Two refrigerators here. As we make our way forward, you can see we got nice air conditioning vents right at the feet of your passengers, sitting in this really comfortable, large, oversized bench seat, facing forward under this beautiful hardtop. Three captain's chairs at the helm. We also got this boat equipped with a triple Marine Axiom screens with that beautiful gloss black acrylic dash to make everything flush. Also has a theft deterrent system, Seakeeper gyro stabilizer. Nice natural tones. Interior, flat screen television, microwave, seating area that converts to two double beds, full stand-up shower. Let's walk forward and show you the front bow area on this boat. Nice sun lounger. This table pops up. You can make this a dining area, and then a beautiful 3 across lounge chair that you can actually run underway. Grab handles below the gunnels. Again, it's Justin Costello, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, giving you a walkthrough tour on our beautiful brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. Give us a call, 954-633-2070.